Hi, Lamb Lady here with the sound of letter I. There's an old story in history where the pancake jumps off the plate and runs away. And that's where this story came from, the gingerbread man. There was an old woman and an old man, and they were sad they didn't have children. So the old woman cooked up a batch of gingerbread dough. She rolled it out like this, and then she cut a head and 2 arms and 2 legs, and she put it on the cookie sheet and put it in the oven with some raisins for eyes and buttons. Halfway through cooking, the oven door popped open and out ran that little cookie boy, jumped out of the oven and out the window and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Then, as he ran on, he came to a cow in the field, and that cow said, "Mmm, good cookie." He ran after that gingerbread boy, but he wasn't fast enough. And the gingerbread boy said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He was proud. Well, he ran on and he was fast. And he found a farmer in the field where the farm was. And this farmer smelled the cookie boy and decided to run after him too and get that cookie and eat him up. But he stepped in. Poop from a pup. Stinky shoe. And as he kept running, he came to a river. Oh no. Well, the fox saw his predicament and came to him just like a friend and said, "I see that you have a problem. I can help you with that. I can get you across this river if you get up on my tail, and as I walk out, you'll stay dry, because cookies fall apart if they go in the water." And as he thought about it, which he didn't do much thinking, he just jumped on that fox's tail and walked up on it, and off they swam into the river. And as he got further out, he said, "The water's getting up higher and higher. Climb up on my back and on my neck." And so the cookie boy jumped up on the fox's neck, and he stayed dry. Then the fox swam to the middle of the river, and he said, "Now you better get up on my head and on my nose so that you'll stay dry until I get to the other side." So that cookie boy climbed up on his head and onto his nose, and the fox ate him. And you never saw that cookie boy again. We could see about our cookie boy. We put one in the oven. Actually, I heard the timer. Uh-oh. The oven door is open. What happened? I see raisins. Where is that? Don't look. Oh, he ran away, but he's right here. And he's only a cookie after all. Well, Jesus can say, "I am," because he is God. And he says, I am the way, the truth, the life. No one comes to the Father but by me. Like this. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father but by me. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father but by me. But by me. But by me. It's through the Son. But by me. It's only through Jesus Christ. He is the only one. But by me. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father but by me. Adios.